silent cross we stand, in awe of love so deep and wide. The sin of all the world was laid upon the Lamb who gently died. A holy cross of Calvary, where mercy flowed for all to see. Your wounded love has set us free. Oh Saviour, we remember Thee. The wood that once brought humankind, the sorrow in the garden fair, now bears the hope of all the world, a tree of life beyond despair. A holy cross of Calvary, where mercy flowed for all to see. Your wounded love has set us free. Oh Saviour, we remember Thee. Your hands once healed, now pierced with pain. Your crown a thorn of bitter scorn. Yet through your death, new life was born, a grace of dawn, that Easter morn. A holy cross of Calvary, where mercy flowed for all to see. Your wounded love has set us free. Oh Saviour, we remember Thee. In quiet prayer, our hearts bow low. Your sacrifice we humbly praise, and through the shadow of the cross, you lead us to eternal days. A holy cross of Calvary, where mercy flowed for all to see. Your wounded love has set us free. Oh Saviour,